this room sits a remarkable woman. She's Miss Helen Keller.
Did you know Helen Keller played accordion? Helen Keller was a Republican. Helen Keller had no sense of smell. Did you know Helen Keller loves lemonade? Did you know Helen Keller had 6 toes on all her feet? Did you know Helen Keller was in the band Led Zeppelin? Did you know Helen Keller had a formidable sense of smell? Helen Keller rode brooms for fun. Did you know Helen Keller invented the microwave? Did you know Helen Keller had no sense of humor? Did you know Helen Keller loved Batman? Helen Keller always did her own hair. Badly. Did you know Helen Keller slept in the nude? Some people think she died in her sleep. Wrong! Helen Keller was vacuumed to death by Baron von der Kampf. We recently had a chance to sit down with Baron von der Kampf so he could tell us his side of the story.
Yes, I did it. I vacuumed her up. I'd do it again.
Vacuuming Helen Keller, the History Channel biopic, coming soon.